Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama BMW X1 Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathi Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a twin-power turbo 4-cylinder engine. Engine displacement 1998 cubic centimeters. Fuel type petrol. Max power 192 bhp at 5000-6000 rpm. Max torque 280 Nm at 1350-4600 rpm. Emission norm compliance BS6. No of cylinders 4. Transmission automatic. Gearbox 7-speed. Paddle shift yes. Next performance and fuel. Economy Pathi Pakalam. Mileage, array, 14.82 kmpl 0 to 100 kmph 7.7 seconds. Top speed 226 km per hour. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathi Pakalam. Brakes front ventilated disc. Brakes rear ventilated disc. Steering type power. Tire size 225/55 R17. Alloy wheel size 17. Tire type run flat tires. Next interior dimensions Pathi Pakalam. Front shoulder room 1440 mm, rear shoulder room 1453 mm, seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Fuel capacity 51 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathi Pakalam. S-Drive 20i Sport X 38.50 rupees lakh. S-Drive 20i X Line 40.90 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.